And on India Today, for the first time, the new Naidu cabinet Mantri list has been accessed, and there are big names going to be in the close cabinet for Chandrababu Naidu as he returns as the Chief Minister. Without a doubt, and of course this is not surprising, the first name is Pawan Kalyan, actor-turned-neta, who in many ways is also responsible for this thumping victory. But there is going to be also Nara Lokesh. Pawan Kalyan is likely to be sworn in as a Deputy Chief Minister, because after Chandrababu Naidu, Janasena's leader, who's managed to, with an alliance, bring victory, has a very popular support. He's likely to be the Deputy Chief Minister and wants to focus on the development of Andhra Pradesh with Chandrababu Naidu. And then there will be Nara Lokesh as well. This is going to be interesting, remember, because Chandrababu Naidu wants to keep close aides, those he has known and trusts, in the cabinet. Apurva Jayachandran is in Vijayawada and telling us all the latest. Good morning, Apurva. So, of course, there must be a massive security arrangement and celebrations there expected in Vijayawada. But tell us about the cabinet, because who will be a part of this tenure to ensure Andhra Pradesh becomes a developed state?
Well, that's right, Pooja. In fact, we have a mix of leaders there, right from from the minorities to the OC community as well. We're having a list of leaders, including some of the top names in Naidu's cabinet, includes Pawan Kalyan, Nara Lokesh. We also have Kindrapachyam Naidu and several other names there, be it from Narendra Manohar, and several other names, be it from the Telugu Desam Party, the Bharatiya Janata Party, as well as from the Janasena Party. Remember, yesterday we were talking about how there had been a very conscious decision taken to see that the India alliance partners are happy, be it for the cabinet here, the ministries being allotted for people here in the NDA at the state as well as the centre. So that's what was the theme that had been kept by the Naidu's cabinet, and that's what we can see over here as well. It's a mix of leaders from across all castes and educational qualifications, most importantly, and gender, who have been called in and named in the list of leaders and ministers who will be taking oath alongside Mr. Naidu today. In just a couple of hours from now, Mr. Naidu and the ministers of the cabinet will be taking oath.
It's a big day for Chandrababu Naidu's return, and with a thumping majority, but of course a lot of responsibility on his shoulders as well, as he has made promises for the development of the state. Thank you very much, Apurva, and all our colleagues in Vijayawada will be tracking the latest on this.